Good morning, students. Welcome to the class of maths again. In maths we studied about behind and in front of. In last lecture chapter 2 हम लोग ने पढ़ा था जिसमें behind and in front of सीखा था. Behind मतलब कि पीछे की तरफ और in front of means आगे की तरफ, है ना. आपको अच्छे से पढ़े होंगे, वीडियो देखे होंगे. Now we will move on to the chapter number 3, that is above and below. Above means ऊपर की तरफ और below नीचे की तरफ. जैसे कि अगर समझ लो मेरा ये हाथ है, तो अगर मेरे पास ये पेन है, मार्कर आप लोग देख रहे हो. So if I will put this marker this side or you can say upper side, then it will be above. And if I will put it down, then it will be below the head. It is above the head and it is below the head. Now let's move. See, I will show you one picture. See in this picture. What is this? Yes, you know it very well. It is slide. आप लोग गार्डन में जाते हो, है ना, आप स्लाइड पे खेलते हो ना, वही स्लाइड है. So you can see here one ball is there. Yes, that it is above the slide or the below the slide. Yes, above का मतलब मैंने क्या बोला था, जो ऊपर की तरफ रहता है. Above means upper side, right? And below means is down side. नीचे का साइड हम लोग देखेंगे, ठीक है. So this ball is above side of the slide or below side. ऊपर है कि नीचे, upper side or down side? Yes, it is down. So it is below the slide. The ball is below the slide. उसके नीचे की तरफ है. Now let's see the another picture. You can see it is a table. You have seen the table? Yes. It is a table. On that table one book is there. एक book है. Book. Yes. Then it is upper side or down side? Yes, it is upper side. ऊपर की तरफ है. तो it will be above. Above the table. So how will we write that? The book is above the table. Yes, now you understood, I think so. Just like that, I have shown you the marker like if it is upper side of the hand, it will be above side, and if it will be down side, then it will be below. So we will understand this concept well from our textbook. So all of you take out your textbook, move on to the textbook. Now students, take out your textbook, page number 3, and chapter number is also 3, like above and below. In this picture only you can see that one table is there. On that table one book is there. Yes, it is above side. That's why it is written above side. And in this side you can see this ball is there. It is below side. Okay, I told you, like if it is upper side then it will be above, and if it will be down side then below. Just like this, we are going to see much more picture here. What did they say? Means circle the monkey sitting below the tree. Means we have to circle the monkey who sat below the tree. Tree के नीचे बैठा हुआ monkey जो है उसको हमें circle करना है, जैसे यहाँ पे दिखाया है. Just like this. Then what do you mean by below? Yes, below means downside. I told you, below means down. Yes. So ये तो ऊपर की तरफ बैठा है, upper side, and this monkey is sitting down to the tree. Yes. Then what we are going to do? We are going to circle the monkey who is sitting below the tree. You can see it properly. Yes. Just like this you have to do in your textbook. Then we will move on to the other picture. You can see here it is a train. Then one person is riding on the motorcycle. Then what they said, circle the vehicle above the bridge. There are two vehicles here. One is train and one is motorcycle. But what they said, we have to circle the vehicle above. Above means ऊपर की तरफ. ऊपर की तरफ कौन सा vehicle है? Yes, it is train. So we are going to circle it. You have to circle the vehicle which is above the bridge. जो ब्रिज के ऊपर है, ये ब्रिज होता है, ये ब्रिज है. ब्रिज के ऊपर जो है वो व्हीकल को हमें सर्कल करना था. वी हैव सर्कल द ट्रेन. नाउ लेट्स सी द थर्ड पिक्चर हियर. यू कैन सी व्हाट इज दिस. इट इज अ लैम्प, इट इज अ टेबल, इट इज अ कप. यस. एंड व्हाट डिड दे सेड, circle the object below the lamp. Means whatever the object is there, what they said, the object below the lamp. It is a lamp, right? It is a lamp. So we have to circle the thing which is below the lamp. So we have to circle whole table here. See, just like this you have to circle it out. So you have to study it from your textbook also, like just like this. Firstly, the monkey is below the tree, so you have to circle the monkey which is below what they asked, right? After that you have to circle the vehicle above the bridge. Above the bridge, yes, it is train, so we have circled here. Yes. After that, the last picture here on page number 3, object below the lamp. Below the lamp मतलब लैम्प के नीचे. तो it is a table and a cup. So we have to circle here. So all students, I think you understood what did I taught you today. That is above and below concept. So let's move on to the whiteboard. So students, we learned the concept of above and below, and we are going to see one activity here. Let's see the activity. You can see one picture is here. Okay, firstly we will see what is there in this picture. Yes, it is cloud, and this all are birds. पंछी है सारे. Then you know it very well. Yes, it is kite. जो हम लोग संक्रांत में जो काइट हम लोग जगाते हैं ना, वही वाला पतंग जगाते हैं वो है. Then this is a house, and then this is a tree. So let's see what is the activity. The activity is look at the picture and fill in the blanks with above or below. Means we have to see this picture properly and we have to fill this blanks with above or below. See the first sentence. The birds are dash the house. Birds are, where are the birds? Yes, these are the birds. Okay. And they are dash the house. There means above the house or the below the house. Yes, it is upper side of the house, so we will write above the house. So write here above. Yes. Now second, the kites are dash the cloud. Now what did they say? Where is the cloud first? Yes, these are the clouds. And they are asking kites are dash the house. Kites, where is the kite? Yes, here. Then it is below the cloud or above the cloud. Yes, it is below the cloud. So we will write here below. It is below the cloud. Then third sentence, the house is dash the kites. Where is the house? Here is the house. And where is the kite? Kite is here. So what they are asking? The house is dash the kites. Means it is below or the above. Yes, it is below. Below the kite. It is downside. So we will write below here in the blanks. Then the clouds are dash the house. Where are the clouds? Here is the cloud. And where is the house? Here is the house. So it is above the house or the below the house. Yes, you understand the concept now. Then it will be above the house. So students, I think all of you understood these things. And what we are going to do? We are going to write these sentences in your CW book, and you have to draw these things in your CW book as well as the homework book, and send it in the group on Friday. Thank you.